100. Question number 5. 100 children choose their favorite color from the blue and pink. Every student has to choose at least one of the colors. Means out of 110, every student have at least one of the colors as favorite color. 60 children choose blue color, 70 pink color. How many students? Children choose both the colors as their favorite colors. Means intersection. Let A be the set of children choose blue color as favorite and B be the set of children choose pink color as favorite. So given that n of A equal to 60, n of B equal to 70, every student has to choose at least one of the colors. Therefore, n of A union B equal to 110. We have to find n of A intersection B. So we use that formula. Therefore, now n of A union B equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. 110, 60 plus 70 minus n of A intersection B. 110, 130 minus n of A intersection B. Minus here 110 there. n of A intersection B equal to 130 minus 110. Therefore, n of A intersection B equal to 20. So last answer, 20 children choose both the colors as their favorite. So we have to find that number of children who choose both the colors. Therefore, answer will be 20. Question number 6. A equal to X such that X is the letter in the word college. B equal to Y such that Y is the letter in the word luggage. U equal to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, L, O, U. Therefore, their number, this is L, O, U. This is the U set. Show that A intersection B complement equal to A complement union B complement. A union B complement equal to A complement intersection B complement. This type of example I have taken in the problem set. One question extra. That is activity given. So that type of example is there. A, C, O, L, E, G, which is repeat letter not taken in the word, that not taken 2 times or 3 times. Therefore, C, O, L, E, G. B equal to L, U, G, A, E. This is the set B. U is directly given. So you find here A dash and B dash. A dash, these 5 elements will be dropped from U. So A, B, D, F and U. You write in the sequence or write any order. But these 5 elements will be dropped, remaining all elements in set U. That is A dash. Again B complement, again same. L, U, G, A, E. These 5 elements will be dropped, remaining 5 elements from U. That is B, C, D, F and O. First, we have to show that A intersection B complement equal to A complement union B complement. So first find A intersection B. A intersection B means common element in A and B. Which are common element? There is common elements are L. There is common, E is common and G is common. Therefore L, E, G. This is the A intersection B. Then A intersection B complement. These 10 elements are given. Out of 10, these 3 elements will be dropped. Remaining are A intersection B complement. So remaining elements are A, B, C, D, F, O and U. From U set, not remaining all alphabets in English. From U set, there are 10 elements are given. Out of these 3 can be dropped. This is the A intersection B complement. Equation 1. What is RHS? A complement union B complement. So these two union means all elements are combined. So you write this A, B, D, F, U and remaining element. What is that? C and O. So you write in the sequence or write in this type. A, B, C, D, F, U and O. This union of these two set. That is equation second. From 1 and 2 all the elements are same. Here O and U, here U. Not sequence is not important in the same. All the elements are same. Therefore, from 1 and 2, A intersection B complement equal to A complement union B complement. Same second. First find A union B. All elements are combined. All elements are combined means A, C, E, G, O, U, L. You write in any sequence. You write all this element first and remaining all elements in B. So right here 7 elements are total. Which are repeat, take only one times. All elements are combined. It is the A union B. Then A union B complement means these 7 elements will be dropped. Remaining all elements in the U. What are all remaining elements are? P, T and F. Give equation 1. RHS A complement intersection B complement. Intersection of these two sets. Common element. B is common. D is common, F is common. Therefore, the intersection will be B, D, F. Equation second. From 1 and 2, A union B complement equal to A complement intersection B complement. This all revision up to question number 6. Write in the classwork notebook. Next period, I start the chapter number 2. So, all these 6 questions from revision you write in the classwork notebook. In next period, I start chapter number 2.